There has been a lot of activity as the summer drone racing season comes down the stretch, and the finals are starting to shape up. MultiGP has now wrapped up all regional qualifying events, and only 2 regional finals remain on the calendar. The North Central Final is scheduled for September 22nd through 23rd and will take place in Chicago, Illinois. Defending MultiGP champion Alex Captain Vanover is on top of the North Central standings going into the final. Mark McGatt-Bramer is in the lead in the South Central region. The South Central Regional Final will be held in Dallas, Texas on October 13th and 14th. The final Canadian event took place August 25th in Hillsborough, New Brunswick, Canada, with the MultiGP Canadian National Finals scheduled for September 28th through 29th in Ottawa. The MultiGP Drone Racing Championship will be held in early December. You can learn more at multigp.com. The IDRA's Challenger Cup Series is nearing the finish of its schedule as pilots battle it out in the rankings to qualify for the finals. Race 14 was completed August 18th and 19th in Sao Paulo, Brazil, with Gustavo Droidman Pelison emerging as the champion. Race 15 took place in Tokyo, Japan, September 1st through 2nd, and Kaito Yamada was the champion of the event. Race 16 is on the calendar for September 15th and 16th in Groningen, Netherlands. That will leave 2 more races on the schedule before the Las Vegas finals. Medellin, Colombia on October 6th, and San Diego, California, with a date yet to be announced. Moritz Lazy Werfeli, Dallas Merca Kemp, and Florian Flow FPV Gluska continue to hold on to the top 3 spots in the rankings. Visit idra.co for more information about the International Drone Racing Association. The FAI is nearing the end of their busy 2018 race schedule, completing 4 events since our last update. Moritz Lazy Werfeli came out on top in Lausanne, Switzerland at the EPFL Drone Days event, with Michael Swift Isler in 2nd and Alexandre FPV in 3rd. 2 races were completed the weekend of September 7th through 9th. The 2018 FAI Daegu Drone Race World Cup in Korea was won by Ji Hyung Jeon, with a runner-up finish by Young-Rok Son and Min Chan Kim taking 3rd. In Modena, Italy, F3U World Cup Italy was won by Pavel Lashak, with Antoni Georgiev in 2nd and Matteo Strada in 3rd. The next race on the calendar is the New Sphere World Cup, held in Ukraine on September 15th and 16th, followed by the F3U PAM Cup in Plovdiv, Bulgaria, September 29th and 30th, and the Phoenix World Cup October 13th through 14th in Prilep, Macedonia. For more info, go to fai.org. Congratulations to all the race winners. We hope we pronounced your names correctly. Good luck to all the pilots in the upcoming races, and have fun. Subscribe and follow our channel for race updates, weekly freestyle videos, equipment videos, and more drone racing and FPV freestyle content. Tell us how we're doing in the comments, or visit the Drone Racing International FPV group on Facebook to share your own videos or ideas. Always fly safely and responsibly, and have fun.